Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul. So this is a new to me brand. They had reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to try some of the colors, and I said absolutely, because you guys know I like to try different brands. I like to try just really all these different things, because I feel like if I get to test a bunch of different things, then when I say, you know, I like something, I have at least other things to compare it to, not just saying, okay, I have one polish brand or one brand that I like the most. Again, I like to try different ones. So let's get into these individual colors. Of course, my camera's dying. Hang on. What I like about these as well, I love the fact that they have these on here. I did buy some of those dots to put on top of some of the gel polishes that I have, but in reality, oh my God, my autofocus. But in reality, I'm one of those people that likes to have their polishes in a drawer. I'm not a display person, at least not yet. I like to still hide everything away. So I appreciate brands that put the colors on top so much. So I just want to say thank you, because I love when brands do that. Anyway, okay, side rant. So let's go through the colors, and then I definitely want to swatch them for you. So again, the brand is Nail Addict. So look at how pretty this packaging is. I just really, really like it. It's simple, it's not too complicated, and okay, I think I'm gonna like this brush. You guys know I can be finicky about brushes. Let's actually go ahead and swatch them while I'm opening them. Y'all, this autofocusing, the fact that it's gone, I had to figure out if it's my lens or my camera. I'm mad. All right, so this first color is Vintage Girl, which they have the label down there. So I also like that it's on the front. So if you were to display these polishes, you could actually see, you guys know I'm gonna press down, you could actually see the name of the polish, which I think is really, really nice. Next is Dusk at Sea. And this looks like it's gonna be a greenish teal. Oh yes, yes, okay. I am here. Look at that color. These are so pretty. I have a ton on my brush. I'm just wiping it off. Look at this color. I have a ton on this swatch stick right now. I'm trying to wipe it off. I just got overzealous. That is beautiful. It's not coming out true to color. Wrong way. Yeah, you're not gonna see that true to color, sorry. Next is Siesta. Oh, Siesta Extra instead of Siesta. Okay, I'm with you. All right. So this looks like it's going to be a nice, deeper sky blue. I am struggling getting these off because I'm doing it one-handed. Like, you know, maybe just go ahead and take the cap off instead of just holding it. All right, this is another pretty color. I like the coverage on these. These are pretty much one coat coverage. Y'all gonna think I'm weird. This one kind of smells like bubble gum. Now, I don't really recommend you sniffing your polishes, but next is a Lucky Bamboo. This is one of my favorite types of greens. It's a chartreuse. I think these look killer with floral nails. I know people are like either a lover or a hater of chartreuse. I always say that wrong. Chartreuse. But like when I say it, this one also smells like bubblegum. Don't smell them, guys, but like, you know, like the Big Chew bubblegum smell? Yeah, that's what this smells like. Oh my God, I'm like going back childhood memories here. This is a full coverage. However, you could probably do 2 coats or like one really thin coat as well to get different opacities with this one. Next is Kiss Me Now. See, I'm smart. I went ahead and opened it before grabbing my swatch stick. We're learning, it's fine. I'm new to videos. Is beautiful, look at that. Let me turn down that brightness for you. No, you can't even get it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you can't get this full effect. This is so concentrated. Y'all. If every one of their glitters is like this, I'm gonna need them all. I'm sorry, I'm gonna need them all. You guys know I've been really into gel polishes a lot lately because it's just easier for me to do. Y'all aren't even gonna get the pretty parts of this. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, overall, I think these colors are beautiful. It was a one coat coverage for me, which for me is amazing, especially being a working mom, you know, in the current times is stressful. And doing nails is like my thing to relieve said stress, even though I have multiple growths on this one, you know, a little grunt, it's fine. It's okay. But overall, these are great. I do know they usually run a 50% off coupon, like all the time. So I will link their information below. Again, stunning colors. I do label mine essentially right away, because I am the person that does not want to be like, oh crap, I need to label that. So I can link that video as well, because I do know that is helpful to some people to see, you know, how everybody labels them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Nail Addict. I'm so excited to use these products. I have something in my mind, especially for these guys, you know. Freeze frame. Nail Addict has been so kind to offer you guys a discount code. It is Vanessa55, and I will have the link below. I do want to note, if they are running a sale, it is not something that it can be used on top. So if there's no sale, you can use it. If there is a sale, I believe you can't use it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.